what we're looking at here is a dB killer that came out of a LeoVince ONE EVO silencer. And a lot of people are concerned that this silencer does not have a spark arrestor. Therefore, they can't put it on their adventure bikes. Say like an Africa Twin or a Yamaha Tenere 700 or a handful of other adventure bikes, because it doesn't have a spark arrestor. You're going to be restricted from riding in areas that require them. So what I'm doing to remedy that is I am taking my OEM insert that came out of my Africa Twin. This is the OEM, and the Africa Twin has two inserts. This one here has a smaller radius, but this one here has a radius that's very close to the radius of this dB killer. Okay, so what I've done here is I've just taken my angle grinder. I've cut the OEM larger insert, and I'm left with a spark arrestor. Cleaned it up with a Dremel and some sandpaper, and now the plan is to take the dB killer and insert this obviously into here. I decided to go ahead and make it a permanent thing by attaching rivets. Initially I thought maybe I'd weld or do a set screw, which would give me a little bit of flexibility to separate them if I wanted to. I think this is the best of both worlds, because it's not a permanent thing where it can't be separated if I wanted to, but it is going to be permanent for me. The argument there is twofold. One, it makes it a complete DIY project that anybody can do in their garage, and it also puts me in compliance anytime I'm in the forest or off-road. Hey, thank you very much for tuning in to this do-it-yourself project where we took a LeoVince EVO 1 and attached a spark arrestor to it. If you have an Africa Twin, that will be a very, very easy install for you to do. And if you have another bike, hopefully you will still consider this a silencer and find a way to put a spark arrestor to it. And remember, if you like what you see, please like and subscribe to our channel, where we will do a handful of other content for adventure motorcycles.